Alrighty, guys, back again. Here we go. Gold Rush full-size helmet, 2-box break number 5 from eBay. See, we got 2 of them here. 2 Gold Rush full-size. We're going to set one off to the side for now, and we'll bring it back up. Here are your teams. Justin, Cardinals. Kevin, Falcons. David, Panthers. Ryan, Bears. Christian, Cowboys. James, Lions, Vikings, Saints, Patriots, Texans, Chargers, Chiefs, Colts. Dave, Redskins. Sean, Jets, Steelers, 49ers, Seahawks. Scott, Giants. Travis, Ravens, Bills. Alex, Packers. Michael, Browns, Raiders. Omar, Bengals, Broncos. Jordan, Bills. Edward, Dolphins. Bauer, Eagles. Julian, Bucks, Titans. Appreciate you guys taking the spots. Here we go. 2 full-size helmets. Top seal. Bottom seal. Let's open her up. Golden Tate, Notre Dame. Golden Tate for Notre Dame. Oh, man, who is he playing for now? Whoever's team he is on now is where this helmet goes. Golden Tate. Oh, man. Is he with the Giants? Is that right? Or did he change again? I could be way off. I don't know. Golden Tate. Somebody help me out there. Giants. Lucas Bond, you are the man. Thank you, sir. Beckett witnessed. Golden Tate, Notre Dame. And helmet number 2. Here's will be another college helmet. USC Trojans, and that is Marcus Allen. Marcus Allen, JSA certified on the Marcus Allen. And that one will go to whom he played for the longest. I don't have my computer beside me, so I'll have to look that up. But we'll get it straightened out and we'll ship it to the correct team. So there you have it, guys. Golden Tate going to the Giants and Marcus Allen, USC helmet. Appreciate you guys taking the spots. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.